Hey guys, Ace of Bats here. I wanted to thank you for clicking on the video today. I want to ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and then helps us bring more quality content to you guys so that you can get to the Tournament of Kings here a lot faster. Hey guys, welcome back to Ace of Vegas here. So I know we haven't done a best slots in Vegas for a little while. We've actually been off in Vegas filming. I'm sure you've seen one or two of the videos if you're subscribed to the channel there. But you know, we're over the MGM Grand, had a really good time, really enjoyed filming out there. So in honor of that, I actually wanted to go ahead and play MGM MegaStars. Let's go ahead and get that loaded first. Alright, and I've never actually played MGM MegaStars. I guess they have a classic and they have like a super version. We've already played Mirage, so I wanted to go ahead and get this one out of the way. So we'll do the usual rules. Refresher if you haven't played for a while. What we do is we put 100 spins on the clock, and then we just go ahead and use a standard bet line there, right? And then we just determine our payback percentage. It's actually pretty easy. I'll go ahead and walk you through the whole thing. It'll be super simple, but let's go ahead and load into MGM Grand MegaStars. I had a really good time at the Signature. Oh, the bombastic music on this one. Wow. All right. So the Signature, if you guys don't know, is actually the, oh, actually, it didn't give me the bet lines here. I guess we'll just do a standard bet, 400,000. So we're going to be risking about 40 million chips over the course of 100. So that'll be 40 million. Because we're betting 400k, and then we'll put 100 spins on the clock there, and then we'll figure out how the MegaStars works. So let's go ahead and get this, guys. On your marks, get set, ready, go. Okay, so this game over here looks like it's all about looks like it's matching. It looks kind of like Ka, and I guess they have bonus levels. That's interesting. I don't know what happens when you hit the bonus levels. 2 spins in, we got a bonus. Oh, level 1 bonus. All right. 2 spins in straight away. All right, that's 80,000. And what do we get? What do we get out of this? Tap the notes as they come down. Oh my God, it's Dance Dance Revolution. Time your taps on the triangle signals. Rock on, Jesus. This looks like Gem from that one show, Gem. Gem is truly outrageous. It used to come on like right before Transformers and G.I. Joe. Do you guys remember that, or am I aging myself? I don't know. It's either that or, you know, she's some sort of combination of Sailor Moon and Josie and the Pussycats over here. I don't know, maybe the Pussycat Dolls, but looks like we got a Guitar Hero game going down. Okay, so we just click. All right, I can dig this, and it's playing real music too. Awesome, 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 dude. It's like Guitar Hero. Oh, okay, I see how this you want to play on the mobile game. On the emulator, this is really hard to do because I have to move the mouse. And me singing, I love rock and roll. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. Put another dime and dance with me. Love rock and roll. Oh wait, I forgot my computer's touchscreen. I love rock and roll. Put another dime and dance with me. Wow, that was really hard to do on a computer here. So I got 3 stars. That means I got 15 spins. I'm not sure what the differentiation. It was just like playing Guitar Hero. That is so great. Wow. Okay, I got 15 free spins for playing Guitar Hero. This is hilarious. This is already my favorite game. All right, let's see how these 15 free spins go. Here we go. So I guess it's about pop stars here. This is so cool. Lots of wilds. So, all right. I think I'll have a trip report ready for MGM Grand Signature. If you guys don't know, that's MGM Grand's little boutique hotel. It's behind their main one where their theme park used to be. I talk about it a little bit in the pool video and in the room tour video. I'll put links to those in the description box below too. I'll make sure I do that. This is so cool though. I actually kind of really like. Oh, and I got 2 more free spins. Nice. So I guess you have free spin bonuses, and then you have the Rockstar bonus where you kind of level that up, and then you get to play the mini game. This is actually kind of cool. I wish they had games like this in the actual casino. I've never actually found a cool game like this. I'd love if they imported the MyVegas games into the real MGM casinos. Those I'd play. I would absolutely play those slot games, even though you guys know I hate slots. Alright, we got 2 more free spins. Let's see what we get out of this. I think we got just over 4 million back. Oh, and we got another couple free spins. What can we do with these last 2 free spins? on top of those wilds didn't do much for us, but we're getting there. All right, one more free spin. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Oh, nothing, but we got 4.2 million chips on that free spin. And that was the first 2 spins, guys. This is very exciting. Now we're going up to level 2. I guess we have to get double Dutchess. I guess they all have funny little names. So they have double Dutchess, blue Swan, and I feel like one more young lady, the one that we just played, was had a different name. I think Lady Trouble was the one that we just played. Like Lady Gaga or something like that. I don't know. Who also has a residency in Vegas that's coming up? Can we talk about that? Can we talk about Lady Gaga and how I have no reason to enjoy Lady Gaga, but I think she's like the greatest. Totally should be an Egyptian god. Just putting that out there. Okay, and we got our next level 2 bonus, so I think we need like 4 more of those or something just to get to the level 2. I really hope we make it to level 2. I'd love to play that game again, that Dance Dance Revolution game again. That was great. Alright, cool. So we are about 13 spins in. We're not losing too much. This is definitely an expensive game, though. It is burning our chips, burning our chips. Oh, okay, wow. We're moving. We made some moves. Made some money moves. But no, that's a really exciting thing. There are lots of exciting things happening in Vegas right now, and there's always something cool going on. I think it's part of the reason that I really enjoy going there so much and why I go out there and why I film these things for you guys, just because it's always something exciting going on. And I'm always so hyped when I get out there and when there's stuff going on out there. Like, I do nerdy things, like I'll watch documentaries there, but I keep wanting to talk about Signature, but this is more fun, just talking about music and the rest of the performers that are out there. And it got me singing too. That's what I liked about that song, and it really helped me singing, even though that didn't help me win, was the singing. I'm not a very good singer. I know we've talked about this, and we've talked about how much I like karaoke. Because I know we talked about it, and I know I talked to 1D about it, and I was talking to Harley about it too, how disappointing it is that there isn't a proper karaoke bar in the Vegas Strip. I've wanted to go to Ellis Island for a long time too, but anytime I'm there, I'm always with a first-timer there, and you usually take a first-timer downtown or to the Strip or something like that. I just hadn't realized how many of my friends and family members had never been to Las Vegas before. It was a mind-blowing thing. I'm like, you guys have never been? So, anytime I go there, we pal around the Strip, we pal around downtown, just what have you. If we have the time, it's just a lot to squeeze into 2 or 3 days, because I just don't like going there for more than 2 or 3 days. It stresses me out after that, but I think it does that to everybody. I think 5 days is a hard limit for Vegas. 3 days is definitely a soft limit. All right. But no, we had a really good time at Signature too. That really helps with the limit there, because you are a little bit off the Strip. Now, it's still on the Strip because it's physically attached to the MGM Grand, and you can actually take a walking escalator or a walking walkway to the Grand from your towers in Towers 1, 2, and 3, which is a really cool thing. Oh, we got some loyalty. All right. And then that just gets you right back to the action. And MGM Grand is no slouch either. You could actually spend an entire vacation there and never leave the property, just having a blast with the pools, and you get all the extra pools too. What I like about the Signature is you get all the amenities of regular MGM Grand on top of the privacy from being at a separate hotel on the same property. Which used to be a theme park, as it turns out. I hadn't realized that for a while. But the MGM Grand Adventures, I'm not sure if you guys remember that from the late 90s, early 2000s. It was back when Disney World had opened up their MGM Studios theme park out in Florida. MGM wanted to capitalize too, and they wanted to go ahead and get themselves a nice little theme park. And it ended up being like halfway between that and like an Elitch Gardens. Well, that's what we call Six Flags out here. That's our Six Flags out here in Denver, Elitch Gardens. That's how you know I'm from Denver, but... no, it ended up being kind of like that. They used to do these little Fright Night things and all, but, the park wasn't taking in a lot of money. They were making more money building the condos at the Signature that we stayed at, so that's part of the reason that they demolished it. The other part is so they could finish the Grand Pool Complex, and I'll put up a video of the Grand Pool Complex pretty soon here. Oh, there we go. We got 3 million on that one. That was a good win. Man, here I am. I'm just hoping to play some more music here just to catch up and make up for some of those big losses. Because we're still down 4 million, surprisingly. We're not doing bad, we're just down 4 million. It's rough. But the Signature is a really cool place. If you haven't checked it out, definitely go check it out. It's not like a tourist destination. You don't go there if you don't really have a reason to, but I'd highly advise staying over there at least once. It is pretty comfortable. It is pretty quiet. And I'd say it's well worth the cash there. It's surprisingly cheap. I think it's cheaper than the regular Grand, and you get much nicer rooms too. Like I said, I'll link the room tour. I will link the pool tours too. And we'll probably talk a little bit about Wolfgang Puck, which is also over there at the MGM Grand too. I don't know, Grand is like the second hotel I stayed at in Vegas ever. And probably one of the best still, third largest hotel in the world. I think it's an outstanding property. So, good customer service overall too. I enjoy them. Alright guys, we got like 9 spins left here. And I'm not sure if we're quite going to make that next mini game. I really wanted to play that other mini game again. But we only have 5 more spins to go after this one here. So we're looking at 4. Oh man, I really want to get that mini game going there. 3. I don't think we're going to get them all. 2. Sorry, Double Dutchess, we're not going to make it this time. Oh, wait. Is that enough? Is that enough? Oh, just short, just short. One more, one more. Oh, we might have made it, guys. On the 100th spin, we made it to the bonus. Okay, let's get it going. Double Dutchess, let's do this. Level 2, let's rock on. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Dang, this is a lot harder than I thought it would be. I think this might be. I don't know what song this is. I like it, though. It's definitely a pop song. This is definitely a pop song for sure. I don't know how I'm doing. I'm doing like 54,000. Dang, I missed. I'm missing so bad. It's because I don't know the song. Dang. I know it. I just don't know who sings it. Can someone tell me in the comment section below who sings the song so I know who it is? I really need your help on this, guys, because I think I'd do better at this game if I knew the songs. Woo! Alright. I think we actually made it to awesome. We got a full 3 stars, so we get to move on. I must be screaming in my poor blue microphone over here, my blue snowball microphone. Let's see how these last 15 free spins do for us. Oh my gosh, this actually might make it up, because we are down a significant number of chips here. Can we make up 7 million? Can we make up 7 million? Let's go. Let's go, boys and girls. 440,000 to start. And we got more free spins. Let's do this. Ooh, 4 million, alright. Good hit, good hit, good hit. Alright, another 1 million. Another 1 million chip hit. And we still got a few more spins. We got like 7 more spins to go after this. I think we might be able to make it back. We got a double 4 spin bonus. Alright, nice. 4 more spins to add to that. See if we can make it up. Nice. Alright. Alright, 2 more spins. We didn't get that stack of wilds, that's a shame, but hey, 2 more spins, that's worth it. More shots to do this. Alright, another 3 million. Alright, guys. I think we might have made up our deficit and then some. Meaning we may have actually profited on this one. I'm surprised. You guys are surprised. Wow. That was a good hit. What a hit. And last free spin. Can we do it? Alright, 80,000. We won 12 million chips on those free spins because of our mad guitar skills, guys. And that took us to level 3. That'll be Blue Swan, but that'll have to be for another day. Man, I almost want to just go ahead and keep playing just so I can go ahead and jam and figure out what her song is. I might check it out on another time and just see if we can do MGM MegaStars, see how much it takes us to go through all 3 of the bonuses. But you know, we're gonna go ahead and take a quick break over here, just so I can go ahead and do some maths. We're gonna count up the booty and see if this is one of the best slots in MyVegas. So hang tight for just a second, guys. Okay, guys, we are back. So back from the MGM Grand MegaStars Classic. So when we started this game, we had 272,673,736 chips, and now that we've ended it, we've ended on 277,578,736 chips, meaning we have a profit of 4.9 million chips, or a return percentage of 112.26%. So MGM MegaStars definitely earns the heart there and becomes a favorite, a best slots in MyVegas. Tomorrow, I think we should tackle the Forbidden Sevens. I did a little talking and thinking, and we should probably just go ahead. We'll just go ahead and tackle all these in order. I wanted to do a New York one since we done a room tour of them and all that too, but let's just do the Forbidden Sevens because we've been through a couple pages already. Since the last time we shot, though, they have added the Lotus Land multi-slots, but we played regular Lotus Land pretty recently, and I don't particularly care for multi-slots either, honestly, so we can go ahead and just do that later when it gets shuffled to the back, and then next game that pops up, we'll go ahead and tackle that one first. But on that bombshell, wanted to go ahead and say thanks again for watching, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and until then, Ace of Vegas is signing out. Happy spinning.